Hi, thank you for being here. I'm Tam from Grand Canyon University. In this video, I want to talk about different states of the data and how can we protect it from being attacked. There are three states of the data: data at rest, data in use, and data in transit. Understanding the difference between these states can help organizations handle sensitive information more securely. Data at rest refer to information that has reached the destination and is not in use, like backup or cloud storage. Data in use refer to the data that currently being processed in memory or system RAM, like when you open a document or type in the login detail. The data is very attractive to attacker because it's on mode decrypted. Data in transit, also called data in motion, it typically refers to data that moves from a device to web-facing service, or between private network and public network, and also between different applications. Once the data arrives at the destination, it becomes the data address. It's massively important to protect data in three states, since the information can be intercepted, stolen, or leaked if not secure prior to being sent. And in order to secure our data address, we typically use AES symmetric encryption or advanced encryption standard. We must make sure that the key we use to encrypt in our system are secure, and we do not share them with any unauthorized individual. If someone is able to obtain the key, they are able to decrypt the data and therefore breach our confidentiality. With AES, we use static 128-bit or 256-bit keys. The user does not have to remember a 256-bit key. They simply enter a password and a hashing algorithm which transfers the password into encryption key and allow access to the data. When you are using file or folder level encryption and you move that data to another device, the data will remain encrypted. However, if you are using full disk encryption and you move files to an unencrypted device, the data will not remain encrypted. So you have to make sure that whenever you are moving the data, such as a USB flash drive or an external hard drive, is also encrypted to ensure the confidentiality of your data. With this data being used, we should encrypt it whenever possible, and we should restrict data access to ensure that the data in use is not being copied, printed, or shared with another party. So if an attacker does gain access to someone's workstation, they would only be able to manipulate that document from perspective of that user rights and permission. To protect data in transit, it is normally encrypted using secure socket layer and transport layer security protocol. IPsec is also used as a transit encryption protocol for VPN channel. We can use cryptography to maintain security and implement access control to provide for authentication and authorization of our user. We can use IPsec, which is Internet Protocol Security, to secure our data in transit, and to ensure confidentiality, we can use ESP or encapsulation security payload. We can provide secure remote access to our employees or partners by setting up IPsec VPN or virtual private network. Alright, this is the end of my video. Thank you for listening.